Welcome back to the Refoundry tutorial series. In this video, we will explore how reusable component blocks work. A reusable component block is a section you can build once and reuse across multiple pages. I'll start by building a simple two-column section. Now that the section is complete, I'll convert it into a reusable component by opening the Container Block menu and selecting Transform to Reusable Component. I'll give it a name, and now I have it saved as a reusable component that I can insert on any other page on the site. To add this to another page, I'll insert a reusable component block, then I can find it from the component library and add it to the page. Now, if I want to edit the original version of this component, I can click on Edit Original, which will open it in a global edit mode. I'll make some changes to it. Once I've made the changes and saved it, I can go to the other pages where this component has been used, and once I refresh the page, you'll see the changes appear on all pages. Now I can also edit this component locally without making changes to the original version. When I make a local change to this block on a single page, the change only affects this instance. If I go to the other page and refresh, you can see that it stays unchanged. The original version also remains unchanged. That gives you the flexibility to keep content consistent site-wide while still allowing one-off variations when needed. Reusable component blocks help reduce repetitive work, maintain consistency, and make site-wide updates easier to manage.